Hey, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing, and in this video, we are going to discuss how we can create a Facebook lead form inside our Facebook pages, how we can integrate page with GoHighLevel, and then how we can actually map the fields from the Facebook form into GoHighLevel, and then we are going to learn how we can set up automation for follow-ups or limited time offers without conversational AI. For conversational AI, we are going to do a video solely on conversational AI. What are the benefits, how we can use it inside our marketing strategy, and when it is how to optimize conversational AI. So let's just stick to our video for Facebook lead form automation without the conversational AI. So first thing is, why do we need to integrate? Uh, Although it seems to be a very silly question, but let's just do it, right? Because it eliminates manual data entry. When we were running Facebook lead gen ads for in 2015 or maybe 2013. So we will have to go into the lead center in order to get the leads in an Excel sheet, and then maybe input the details inside our CRM, or maybe use Zapier for that. But with the help of Go High Levels integration, we can eliminate totally that kind of work, and we can definitely set up instant follow-ups without totally uh, getting dependent on our staff members to do that. We can set scoring based on lead engagement, means that we can set up lead scoring, and I will be going to do a video on that as well, like with each interaction with the lead, how we can set up a score inside Go High Level. So please comment me if you want that kind of video, because it saves a lot of time for your staff members to reach out to only those leads who have a good, um, uh, you know, lead score. We can change pipelines and do all of other stuff when a reply comes from the lead, right? So in this in this demo video, we are going to create a Facebook ad. More importantly, we are going to create an instant form, because it's not a video on how to create a Facebook ad. We are going to do those videos, but for this video, we will just stick to the instant form, how we can create it, integrate Facebook page with GoHighLevel, map the field of the form from Facebook inside GoHighLevel, and then create workflows and testing it via Facebook lead form testing tool. So let's just get started. First thing first, it's not a video on how we can actually create the ads. So I'm not letting any of that information roll out in this video, but let's just stick to how we can actually create a lead form inside our app. So, for example, we have created a campaign, created an ad set, and campaign. It's so easy to set up, right? In these days, um, we don't have to choose any interest targeting, because Meta will do it for us with the latest updates coming on Andromeda and Gem. So it's essentially just we are putting in the creatives, and then creative is going to do the targeting for us. That's it, right? So first thing, you will create a form from here, right? And once you create form, it is going to ask you for the form name. So let's just stick to Hooker table repair New Year, New Year offer. Okay, I will choose higher intent, and anyone can share our ad, so that's not a big problem. New Year offer for snooker tables there. Um, you can do it anything here. Trust signals, you can give something like 10 plus years in business. It's locally owned, replies within 24/7, so it generates trust. You can incentivize like free cloth assessment in our case, limited till 15th Jan. Okay. So, and you can do whole lot of stuff inside it, social proof, products, how it works, things like that. But just let's stick to main part. So the pre-built parameters from Meta are email, address, full name, and then we can give uh, phone number as well. And then once you do that, do you want to add a question? So yeah, we can do a question that will be a multiple choice question. Um, that will be uh, when was the last time you repaired your snooker table, right? A year ago and 2 years ago. So this is just a qualifying question, right? We can add whole lot of stuff here for qualifying people, but let's just stick to one question for this video. Click next. For privacy policy, we can use this link for our website. And on the ending section, you can give your website link for visiting your website, right? Go to website, thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website here. Now, once that is done, um, so you'll have to remember the name of the form that you created. You click publish, next. Okay, so we will just going to get this inside our main Go High Level account to see if that comes in or not. First, we need to go to settings, and this is how you're going to integrate your Facebook page with Go High Level integrations. It will say here connect, and once you click on connect, it will give you the page name that you want to connect. So you will select your own page, and then from there onwards, you can either select an ad account, but it's not mandatory because we are not doing any conversion side of things. So we are just doing a lead form, which is actually an asset of pay Facebook page. So going inside that, here you can see our form is appearing, which means we can map our fields. But first, just we need to create a custom field, right, for the question we have asked inside the form. So it can actually map on the field itself inside Go High Level. And we can add a field here, and it will be a radio select. I don't remember the name of the question. So we need to go to the okay, we can duplicate it to see the question, right? So here it is. You can select it. Um, next field name this is, It will be a group of contact, and then we can give the options like a year ago or 2 years, 2 years ago, a year ago, 2 years ago. Right, once you do that, you just have to click create and it will be created. And once that is done, you will then go to mm, inside the mapping fields and okay, we just need to refresh it. Click map again, type in when was the last time you, that's it. So confirm. So that part is done. We have done this part. We have created an ad with the instant form integrated Facebook page, which with GoHighLevel, we have mapped the fields of the forms inside GoHighLevel. Now we need to create a workflow in which we are going to send a follow-up email or SMS, and then start following up if they don't reply, right? So just get started here. So, okay, go to automation and create a workflow from scratch. And you can also start using an advanced builder from here, clicking here. But I like the standard builder. Uh, so I'll use that one. But so our trigger will be Facebook lead form submitted. Page is to sports guide and form is not any, but the latest one we created with a year of offer. Once that is done, we will create the opportunity, right? And we will select the pipeline stage here, and the opportunity name will be, remember, it was a full name, and we can select the full name here. So, uh, I'll give you a tip here. Once you're doing some kind of work related to Facebook form and testing, so make sure that you always test your uh, initial setup so you don't get lost in the weeds after um, creating a whole lot of stuff inside your workflow. So it's a it's kind of a pro tip here because I have um, I have set some clients up and because of not testing the work, this initial trigger, um, we have lost few clients. So once you do that, just name it to Facebook leads to pipeline plus follow-ups. It's just how it's just a naming convention. Click publish, save. Now this is the tool which can let you test the leads. So for us, you just have to select the page name. You can click refresh. Once you are inside that tab, you will have to select your page name, um, select the lead retrieval product, and then select the form name. And once you preview the form, you can um, select a year ago, it will the name of Q1234, and the phone number is all right here. Continue, submit. Okay, so it will give us the track status button to track the activity of the lead, whether it's gone into our CRM system or not. So on success, what you're going to do, go back and click contacts. If the contact came, that means that our initial trigger is working. That is perfect. You can see here just now. It was created just now through, you can click on the contact again, and you can see just now created Jan 9, 11:22 p.m. That is perfect. We're working perfectly fine with for us. So once you do that, then again, you just have to send an internal notification uh, email to uh, sign user. Okay, a lead came from Facebook. Contact them ASAP, right? Um, or a cold lead came, right? Contact them ASAP. Here are the details. There are here are the details. It's just same stuff you do when a lead comes in to let the sign people know that hey, you'll have to contact this lead ASAP, right? So email in and the phone number. Con- Contact them ASAP, and that's it. That's the internal notification. And we have to send an email to the user as well, right? So the email subject will be thanks for showing interest in our snooper table with their new year offer. Okay. Uh, I so we just want to start a conversation with them right away. Um, thank you for thanks for for claiming your free snooper cloth cloth assessment. What will be a good time to visit? Okay. So it seems great. Like, what is a good what will be a good time to visit your location? Okay. So visit your location. That's all right. Save action, and we have to assign a user at the start here. Save action. So once we are also going to send them an SMS with the same thing, right? We can change a lot of content, but just stick to simple things. Right. So once that is done, we can then see if a reply, we can wait for 2 hours, right? And we can use an event for email event, email, email, select email. Once that is selected, select email event and open. So once they open up the email after 2 hours, If they don't open, what will happen after 2 hours? We can send them another email. We can definitely wait for a certain time, wait, and once the 2 hours have been passed, we can then remind them after 6 hours that it's a limited time offer and you need to send email again. Uh, Last slot left for free assessment. I contact full name. Last last slot left for free assessment of your snooker clothes. Please reply book to schedule your appointment. Okay, so they open up, we can send them. If they don't open the email, we will then send this one. And what happen when email is opened, then we can again send the internal team notification. Hey, they just opened the email, contact them. Contact full name, open the email for free assessment, contact them ASAP. And we will just going to give the phone number here because they are a hot lead now, right? Save action, right? Show to the assigned user. Great. And um, once that is done, we can uh, we can do this for SMS as well. So we can add another, can actually do an if else here. If else. No, let's just stick to email and um, we can then use the same workflow for SMS as well. But so if we delete that part, we can do it for SMS. So we are going to delete that part. This is for the email thing. Um, and so we can delete action. Now we will wait. And then after delay is contact reply to SMS or email. So you can use both actions, right? To do this. Um, Timeout is 10 minutes, right? What will happen when a contact replies on email or SMS? Email or SMS, right? So we can send internal notification to the user, to the signed user. Hey, the lead replied. Um, Contact full name, just replied to our SMS or email. Contact them now. Okay. And what could be the, this is it, right? Once you do that, you can give a message body here. Where is the message? Where is the reply? All right. So once you do this, and if they again don't reply, you can wait for 6 hours and 6 hours and then send them a follow-up message. Hey, um, send email, last slot left for free assessment of snooker cloth, snookers, tab snooker tables, cloth, right? If you are interested, please reply with book. That's it. And then we can um, we can also set here some if-else statements for the positive and negative intent, and we can do it through um, contact reply. Contact intent type is positive, then do this, right? And then do the internal notification to the staff member. Otherwise, no, we can either send them to a nurture sequence or send them another time limited or discounted offer. So that was it from this tutorial. I hope you liked this video. If you need help with anything, particularly go high level funnels, websites, workflows, third-party integrations, Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. You can just message us. Everything will be mentioned in the description section of this video. Thank you.